In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a Weber email list with Payhip. By the end, your Payhip store will be connected to your AWeber account, so new customers can flow straight into your email list without manual work. Start on your Payhip dashboard. Along the top navigation, look for the Marketing tab and click it. Inside Marketing, you'll see several sections. Choose Mailing Lists. This is where Payhip connects to your email service so it can add buyers and subscribers automatically. On the Mailing Lists page, click the button that says Set up Mailing Lists. A small pop-up will appear. In the drop-down labeled Select Email Service Provider, scroll until you find AWeber, then select it. Confirm your choice by clicking Save Details. If a pop-up doesn't show, temporarily allow pop-ups in your browser or try again after refreshing the page. After saving, Payhip will reload and send you to AWeber's authorization screen. Sign into your AWeber account if you're not already logged in, then complete any security check that appears. When prompted to grant permission, click Allow access at the bottom right. Make sure you see AWeber's secure address in your browser so you know you're authorizing the real service. Use the AWeber account that holds the list you want to grow from Payhip. Once you approve access, you'll be redirected back to Payhip. You should now see that AWeber is connected to your Payhip account. Depending on your setup, Payhip may show your provider status or make your AWeber list available for selection on relevant product or subscription settings. If you don't immediately see the connection, give the page a quick refresh. Still not showing? Log out and back in, or repeat the authorization to ensure the permission was granted. That's the full connection flow. To recap, you went to Marketing, opened Mailing Lists, chose AWeber in the Setup pop-up, saved, authorized the connection on AWeber's page, and returned to Payhip with the integration active. From here, Payhip can send new customers or subscribers to your chosen AWeber list based on how you configure your products and opt-in settings. Keep in mind that list segmentation, tags, and confirmation preferences are managed inside AWeber, so set those according to your email strategy. If everything looks good, you're done. Your storefront and your email marketing are now working together, so you can focus on crafting great messages while Payhip handles the handoff automatically.